Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix "we cannot confirm your identity" error in gov.uk ID check. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes for this. So I'm going to start with the most common fix. So the most common fix is to force close the app and reset it. So from here, we can go ahead and hold down the Gov ID check, click on the I, and then go ahead and click onto force stop, click OK, and then restart the process. Now the next fix is to go and hold down, get the app info again. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto storage and then clear cache and then start the process. Now the third fix is to simply update the app. So depending on what device you got, I'm on an Android, so I'm going to go to my Play Store, or you can go to your App Store if you're on an iPhone. Type in gov.uk ID check and then go ahead and open it up. From here, if it says update, go ahead and update the application. Now the next fix is to check permissions inside the app. So to do this, go ahead and click and hold down the app, click onto I, and then click onto permissions. As you can see, I've got no permissions allowed. So what we want to do, we want to go ahead and allow the camera permission. And then from here, also, if there's any other permissions like contacts, go ahead and allow that. Now, if you're still having issues, I suggest just simply uninstalling the application, going to your Player App Store and re-downloading it and installing it on your mobile device, and also restart your phone and try the process again.